Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be using dip powders from West Coast Dips to create a fun Valentine's Day mani. The first color here, it's called Dainty, and it's a beautiful classic white shimmer dip powder, but it's cram-packed with tons of beautiful shimmer, and you're going to see all that shimmery goodness in action. And then we're going to use Swoon, which is a really pretty dip powder. It is a milky white base, and then it has these light pink glitters and sparkles in there, and then some heart-shaped pieces. It's super pretty. This swatch is not doing this dip powder justice at all. You will see this dip powder in action in just a few moments, and it is super pretty. We're also going to be using dip liquids today, so let's dive right into this beautiful shimmer called Dainty. Now the shimmer on here, it's a super fine shimmer, and it is slightly a little bit messy when you are doing the cupcake liner method. Now, if you are dipping directly into the jar, you're not going to pick up so much shimmer like I am here, because I have a lot of that shimmer like all the way up to my knuckle, but it's definitely worth it in the end because the shimmer of this dip powder is so pretty, and it's such a finely milled shimmer, and it's very hypnotizing to watch, and I really think this is a really pretty color. For today's mani, we're going to do a watch me do a mani style video, so I will not be popping in at the end. But I can tell you right now that I really like how these powders performed. I did do a mani last week on my channel with West Coast Dips as well. I will link that video in the cards at the end of the video. And I also have been using the liquids this week in my videos as well, and that precision tool has been my go-to precision tool since I received it. It is the nicest precision tool that I own, and it is just, I can't really explain it. The quality is totally there, and it feels really nice in the hand. And it does not have that pointy sharp, which you know I do not like that a pointy sharp on my precision tools. So this precision tool is really, really nice. And if you haven't ordered from West Coast Dips, I definitely recommend checking out the website. There are tons of beautiful shimmers, solids, glitters. These liquids are amazing. And don't forget to add to your order that precision tool or even a full-size candy bar, because in the order there was this little candy bar that was amazing, and you can get a full-size candy bar. And I know you're probably like, why do you want a full-size candy bar? Well, if you didn't know, West Coast Dips is a Canadian-based dip powder company, and in the package she put a piece of Canadian candy in there, and it was so good. So definitely recommend checking out West Coast Dips, and the prices are just right on these beautiful dip powders, and they apply really nicely. All right, so enough chit chat. Let's dive into this mani process, and then I will see you in tomorrow's upload.